Hello, everybody. It's Jeff online here. I've come back from Paris on the train today, and it's cold, and I'm in my car on the way home. And I decided to kind of do a video on an update what's happening in my 6 month fellowship over in the AI unit department at SAP. I did that one a couple months ago. And so I'm getting into this 6 months, and I'm kind of reflect on what I've done. Maybe I'll do one at the very end too. So I'm about 5 months in of this fellowship. I'm being loaned from one department to another department, and so originally we wanted me to kind of work on communications, content, blogs, and social media texts, and also on writing, mainly on that, and then doing some project management and working in AI ethics. I've written quite a bit of publications, ready code that have been used, and you can see those up on some of the leaders, some of our senior leaders in at SAP, and you can see on my own LinkedIn page. I've put a lot of them up there already. So just go scroll on my posts and my activities on my LinkedIn page, and some of the ones that they've done too. I've written about the AI ethics. I've written all about a variety of topics related to AI in general, mega GTP and stable diffusion theory model and all that, et cetera, et cetera. So I've done a number of those. Secondly, but the needs kind of changed, so we had to be a little agile and change that, and that's really good. So what I've done probably in the past 3 months, I've been able to focus on writing scripts for conference talks for my boss over in the AI department. So I've done 3 of those, and that's created looking on some conference talks on specific topics of applying AI to certain domains, sectors, or what do you want to call these? And so I've done 3 of those, and that's helped him to be able to give some conference talks or roundtable discussions on specific topics. That's been helping him, and I've been using it for doing that. So it's applying AI into certain domains. Another thing that I've been writing about is patent applications. So I've been kind of busy at that. Um, I'm not going to talk about them because I can't. But I'm going to say, I'm going to let everybody know that I've been writing some patent applications. So just to know. So that, which is good to know, because in this field I've said that this will be really interesting to see where things will be in a couple of years. And we've been seeing a lot happening with recently with like the New York Times suing Microsoft and OpenAI for for the content they're using. And I foresaw this, so I've been kind of busy writing some patent applications. So maybe that keeps us. Maybe that's going to inspire all of us to start thinking about writing the patent applications, right? Because this is gonna get interesting. Where things gonna kind of gonna happen here in a year or two or sooner. So so things are kind of going really well there, and we've been able to adjust the need to fill that, and I'd say that this has been a pretty productive 6 months. A lot of things, and I'm looking forward to doing more on this. So I'm not going to say anything more about that, but there's a lot of cool things coming along, and just stay tuned here in this playlist about how things are going on AI and generative AI and everything about that. And I've been creating a lot of on another thing. I've been doing a lot of pitches, little pitches about simplifying AI and what it is, what it's not, what is AI, legacy AI versus generative AI. I've been giving little talks to at different places, even in associations, not just at conferences, but at different places, locally, even in retirement homes, and applying AI to like wheelchairs. so, so helping people understand, it's really been a lot of fun. So it's really been able to talk about it to a general public, a more general audience, rather than always at conferences or like professional leaders and stuff. I've been talking to people in general life and trying to fine tune what it is and explaining it because it's impacting everyone, right? So it's really important to get a good explanation that makes sense to people in food distribution. And like I said, retirement homes or in any walk of life. So that's been a lot of fun. And so stay tuned here in this playlist for more about what's happening in the AI field. Thanks so much.